I just wanted to point this out before I started the video, guys. Apparently, not even 1% of my people watching all of my videos are subscribed. So if you aren't subscribed, make sure to subscribe, guys. It really does help me out. And if you like the video, comment down below what you want to see again or what you want me to review. I looked so stupid in my eyes, bro. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to a new video. If you guys are new here, my name is Colton, and in today's video what we're going to be talking about is this little thing right here, this beautiful digital polarizer looking thingamajigger. Let's see if you can there's no sun I'm in my garage, you can't see any sun, and it's dark outside, but we're going to be talking about this. And as you saw in the little first clip, yes, it does make me look a little bit darker. And so this is with the lens on. So usually you screw it on, okay? So you screw it on, boop, boop, boop. And then this is what it would look like. So what is this right here, okay? This is a digital polarizer. This is hang on, let me get the exact name of it. This is a Platinum, the brand is Platinum 67mm MCCPL, right? Yeah, MCCPL. Let's see if I know, it's so small, my camera will never be able to focus in on it. Now you can see this says Platinum 67mm MC hyphen CPL. I think you can see that. I mean, if I could see it, you could see it. So it is a Platinum digital polarizer. So I don't actually have the box to where I put this thing because my dad left on a trip this week and took the card that I had the box in, and I totally forgot about it. And so I don't have the box, but I'll put a little picture of what the box looks like right here. It's super nice. I think it came in this super cool little box. You can just you set it in. It's kind of like a ring, like something that you put a wedding ring in, the little thing that makes little, you can hold it and then you open it, kind of like that, kind of same idea, you know. And then it just kind of sits in there like this. And this is technically part of my lens, so I'm not gonna be touching it. I know that it does have scratch protection and everything, so now that you guys know that this is a digital polarizer, here you can see that there's two parts, right? There's this part with the ridges, and then there's the smooth part. So as you can see, at least for my camera, I put it on, there's little ridges right here on the outside. You probably can't see them, they're so tiny, but they're right here on the outside, right here where my fingernail is. And that's where I screwed in like this. And then, yeah, that's how I do it. And then see right here, this little thing right here, you can just twist it. So let's see if I can get it actually moving. It won't focus. I need to hit it on the light just perfect. Okay, aside from that, you can rotate it and make it hit the sun just perfect whenever you're taking pictures. Now, in this kind of setting with no direct sunlight, it isn't exactly that efficient because it pretty much blocks out the sunlight. It kind of makes it a little bit darker, makes stuff pop more. So I do have a couple of pictures with and without the digital polarizer, just to show you guys a little bit of a comparison. So on this side is going to be the picture with the digital polarizer, and this side is going to be the one without the digital polarizer, just so you kind of can tell what it is. I think that especially when the sunsets are super duper bright, it kind of makes the sunset darker, and then it makes it just pop that much more. I think it does a great job. I know that there are plenty of different brands of this. This is the only one. This exact one right here was one, the only brand, and two, the only one they had left for my specific lens that I needed. So I know that there are other brands, but this one's a Platinum, and honestly, I would say I'd give this one a solid 8 out of 10. It's not perfect, but it does do the job. It was a little bit expensive. I know camera stuff can be super expensive. This one was $29.99 at my Best Buy. I know you can get it cheaper. I know you can get it more expensive. It kind of just depends on where you want to buy it and what you want to do. But yes, overall, I think it's super nice to use, super easy, super like you just screw it on and you can screw it off. Honestly, lately I've been screwing it on and just leaving it there and kind of using it as like a protection thing for my lens, just in case I drop it or something, because you know it does happen. I have dropped the camera before. It doesn't go well. So I kind of just had this for like a protection thing. I think you could use it as that. You can also stack these things. So as you see, I screwed it in on, hold up, let's hold it the same way every time so it makes sense. I screwed it in at the bottom right here, and then there is a additional like ridges for screws on the inside of this one, so you can definitely stack them on your lens. I don't know what you would put on this, maybe like a UV protectant or an ND6, just to like make stuff pop even more or protect it. And yeah, it pretty much just depends on what your preference is, but yes, this is a great choice. I'll have a link down below for the Amazon and for Best Buy, just to like, if you guys want to check out multiple platforms. I'll try to like find all the different links I can and cheapest prices and all this kind of stuff. I hope you guys liked this review. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe.